Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Samsung SmartThings hub connectivity and device status, full guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Samsung SmartThings hub is powered on. Check that the hub is connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate your SmartThings hub in the list of devices. If your hub appears online, it indicates a successful connection. If it shows as offline, proceed to the next step. Reconnect your hub to the Wi-Fi network by tapping on its name. Select Reconnect and follow the on-screen instructions. Ensure your Wi-Fi credentials are entered correctly. If the hub still doesn't connect, check your router settings. Restart your router to refresh the connection. Once your hub is online, check the status of connected devices. Tap on each device to see its current status. Ensure that all devices are showing as online. If a device shows as offline, try toggling its power. Restart the device by unplugging it for a few seconds. After rebooting, check the device status again in the app. If issues persist, reset the device and attempt to re-add it. Return to your SmartThings hub settings in the app. Review any network troubleshooting tips provided. Consult the SmartThings support page for more detailed help. Make sure to update your SmartThings app to the latest version. Regular updates can enhance connectivity and performance. Once everything is verified, enjoy seamless smart home control. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.